Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. Before we start, one thing to mention. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is charged and then we can continue. And what we need to do is to open the settings. And to do that, press the crown button to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you need to find the option called My Device and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called Factory Reset and select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Beware though, it will erase all of your data and settings from your watch. So you will need to be prepared for that. Now let's confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and here we have it. Now, once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.